Today we are going to see truncate statement. Before moving to truncate statement, I am selecting this table. No data found. So I am inserting few dummy data. Okay, so here I have inserted 200 rows. Now I am going to truncate in this table. A table. The database entire record is daily truncated. Yeah, basically in many interviews you will get these questions. What is the difference between truncate and delete? Delete will delete data, but the basically data, the actual data that memory is occupying in this table. But truncate, entire data will be deleted. You cannot roll back. I have truncated in this table, no data found. The physical address also cleared. So that's why delete statement is slow when compared to truncate. Here you cannot apply any where condition in this truncate statement. Before deleting or truncating the table, you need to careful on this command. Thank you.